You assume sleep is just a pause button, a time when your body does nothing. You are wrong. Sleep is the most violent biological battle your body fights every single day. While you lay unconscious, your brain is desperately trying to scrub itself clean of deadly toxins. But when you skip sleep, that cleaning stops. Today, we are going inside the sleep-deprived body. We will watch, minute by minute, how the lack of rest destroys your memory, rots your logic, and slowly shuts down your organs. This isn't a lecture about resting more. This is an autopsy of a brain denied its only cure. Let's start with just one sleepless night. You hit the 24-hour mark. You might feel fine or even energetic. That is a lie. That energy is just a stress chemical, dopamine, flooding your system to keep you awake. Inside your prefrontal cortex, the CEO of your brain, the lights are dimming. Scientific studies confirm that 24 hours without sleep impairs your cognitive motor skills, equivalent to having a blood alcohol level of 0.10%. You are legally drunk. Think about that. You wouldn't drive a car after 5 shots of vodka, yet you drive to work every morning with a sleep-deprived brain that has the exact same reaction time. Your focus drifts, your eyelids get heavy. You are operating heavy machinery while your brain is essentially offline. Your decision-making circuits short-circuit. Impulses you normally control, anger, hunger, risk-taking, break out of their cage. You haven't just lost sleep, you have lost control of who you are. If you continue this pattern for weeks, the damage moves from temporary to structural. Your brain has a janitor, the glymphatic system. It works only when you enter deep sleep, shrinking your brain cells to wash away toxic waste known as beta amyloid. Without sleep, that janitor never comes. This toxic waste builds up, forming sticky plaques between your neurons. These are the same toxic plaques found in severe Alzheimer's patients. Once they harden between your brain cells, they block the signals that create your thoughts. But it gets worse. Chronic sleep deprivation attacks the hippocampus, your memory center. It doesn't just stop working, it physically shrinks. Your memories aren't just being forgotten, the hard drive storing them is being dissolved. While your brain rots, your body is screaming. Look at your hormones. 2 key players control your appetite: ghrelin, which says eat, and leptin, which says stop. Sleep deprivation breaks the brakes. Ghrelin spikes, making you crave high-calorie sugar and fat. Leptin vanishes, meaning you never feel full. You aren't weak-willed, you are being chemically hijacked into gaining weight. Studies show that sleep-deprived individuals consume an average of 385 extra calories per day. That's equivalent to eating an extra cheeseburger every single day, not because you're hungry, but because your exhausted brain is desperate for a dopamine hit. Simultaneously, cortisol, the stress hormone, floods your veins. Your heart rate rises, your blood pressure spikes. Your immune system, confused by the constant stress signals, begins to attack your own body or fails to fight off simple infections. You remain in a permanent state of fight or flight. The most terrifying symptom isn't feeling tired. It's what happens when your brain forces you to stop. It's called a microsleep. For 3 to 10 seconds, your brain simply goes offline. During these microsleeps, your brain enters a weird hybrid state. Parts of it are asleep, while other parts are awake. You might keep your eyes open, you might even keep holding the steering wheel, but your conscious mind has left the building. You are a zombie in the truest sense of the word. Your eyes might be open, but you are blind. You are not processing sound or sight. If this happens while you are driving at 60 miles per hour, your car travels the length of a football field while you are unconscious. Sleep deprivation doesn't just kill you slowly from the inside. It is a leading cause of fatal accidents worldwide. The damage is terrifying, but the solution is built into your DNA. Recovery starts tonight. When you prioritize sleep, you reopen the glymphatic floodgates. Watch as the cerebrospinal fluid rushes in. It washes away the amyloid toxins. It resets your hormone levels. It rebuilds the connections in your memory center. This process, known as memory consolidation, takes the fragile information you learned today and cements it into your long-term storage. Without this step, everything you learned dissolves. Sleep is not a luxury. It is your life support system. Do not unplug it. If you are watching this late at night, put the phone down. Your brain needs to clean itself. Subscribe to the Body Code Lab for more truths about your biology. Sleep well.